Welcome back to the Home Business Academy, guys. I want to make this quick video because I was just learning something in our premium product where we do daily, literally daily masterminds, and you get all the replays. You see right here, we have so many different replays, 121, 23 videos. But there's a strategy that I learned in this replay that I'm actually going to show you a little bit of on how to use ChatGPT on how to, pretty much have your content rolled out, impactful content, and how you stand out. And these are the things that I'm actually using with softwares like Sona. Like I'm making these different images. These aren't my images, but I'm making images that I put on my TikToks, and I'm actually running my business with images right now versus even short form videos, guys. So I want you to understand that Home Business Academy has a few products. One of the products is our funnel builder. Right here is, all the software you need to self brand yourself. And we have funnel builder training that shows you how to build just about everything you can think of, even a traditional website. We have a product hosting section, an online store you can host your digital products at, etc. And here's a look at our products. We have the Let's Go app. And you can read this real quickly. We have the funnel builder I just showed you and the premium. These are the three core products. And on the back end, we do have a all-in product, which is our financial product that shows you how to, do your taxes, save your money, everything on that financial investment side as well. That's You're going to see that product as well on the back end, guys. But listen here, I want you to understand with these three premium products alone, you get a discount for 2 weeks with our HBA premium. You're going to get it for 35 USD. And then after 2 weeks, if you want to keep premium, which you're going to love it, it's going to be 125 a month. So what's so great is we have an 80% commission structure. So with this app, you get paid $8, you get paid 20 on the funnel builder, and you get paid $100 on the premium product. And the premium product is so amazing. And once again, it even comes with so many already done for you sales pages. And I'm actually going to show you the one that you're going to see, which is a replay of our Saturday training. I want you to actually watch this whole thing. It's an hour long, and then this button will pop up shortly after the end, and you'll be able to, pretty much go all in with Home Business Academy, guys. So to get back to the training, I actually I'm in the middle of doing this right now. So I just want to start from the top a little bit, guys. So I said, hey, I want to make organic Facebook posts that I will boost on Facebook without seeming like I'm selling. Can you do 7 posts like that? So that's the basic way to do it. But with this training, you see it's already printing out these different ones. But what this training let me do was really tap into this a little bit more. See, right here, I'm still being very generic. I'm kind of feeding it in, talking about my affiliate marketing business a little bit. And but what took me to the next level, and actually I was in the wrong chat, so I had to update it. So that was the basic way to use it. But what I learned in the training is what you're seeing right here. So I'm not going to read this whole thing, but I want you to get the point. And I simply, asked it everything. I said, hey, I want to tell you a little more about myself, and you can use all the information that you have on me. So when you start plugging into AI, um, it starts learning. And this is the upgraded AI. It's $20 a month. It starts learning. But I gave it even more. I said, I'm 30 years old. I've been in affiliate space since I was 18 and I struggle. I gave it the whole story. And I even started talking about my target audience, um, and exactly what I wanted to do. So it took all my information. You see updated saved memory, and it started giving me these text posts. And this is where this gets a little deeper, because this is why you got to start learning stuff. Because I'm like, all right, this is cool, but I don't see any call to actions. So I'm like, after I was asking it a few other questions, I'm like, I don't see any call to actions. So what exactly am I supposed to be doing with this? Right here it says, it says, am I hoping people will look on my page after reading this or asking me for more information? And before we even get to that, it actually showed me what the post would look like on social media. Like, it showed me exactly how I would post these posts. But I'm like, yeah, I don't get what I'm doing with these posts. And it says, hey, your audience, it shows you're building connection. It says your audience is overworked parents, hustlers, and analytical folks, isn't always ready to jump into something just because they see a call to action. these posts hit them in the gut emotionally. They recognize themselves in your words. And that's what we learned on the training pretty much. People need 7 hours of video content in your knowledge before they decide to join or, purchase anything. So what these are doing is going to keep hitting your ideal customer, because we like to post to everybody and we end up talking to no one. Pretty much people aren't just fighting on, how to make money online content. They don't really care enough because they don't know if it's actually for them. So these build them up, start speaking to them like, hey, I like this, share it. They start following you, and then they start saying what, and then you can start plugging in call to actions, shortly. And then they're like, okay, what does this person do? And it says, would you add anything else to this post? So this is where I took it to the next level. I said, would you add? This is what you always got to do. And I learned this from coding apps with AI. Would you add anything? And this is actually recently. So it's saying, hey, yeah, I would add this. I would add questions at the end. Really good, actually, to boost engagement. I would add emoji sparingly, CTA softener, if you want to test a hint of the next step. So I can probably add this now, or and then subtle hashtags. And if I were you, I'd do a mix. 3 posts stay raw and simple, just like we wrote them. 2 posts add a question at the end. 2 posts hint. And this is where I'm actually at right now. And what I can do is say, hey, make me 7 posts with text and image. I can say make them for this platform, make them more for this platform, and I can just keep going. But anytime you have an idea, you keep feeding it, because you'll start looking at your content and start seeing like, hey, I'm not really feeling this because of this. And then you start, ending up with exactly what you want. So that's what I actually learned in our mastermind right here. And I'm almost finished with it. It was an hour long. And like I said, this is like, it's 8 a.m. We'll have another one at 11, whether it's about this topic or what someone else is doing, and you'll have access to this. So instead of keep buying more digital products and trying to learn stuff, this is the place you want to be. Plus, you can build a recurring residual instead of just a one-time payment, which I know people hate paying monthly sometimes, but when it pays you, like when I first purchase puts you in profit and you start building your base, you won't be paying for it anymore. To be paying for itself. And plus, this is how you start really living your life, because you can go have a great month, but you have to pay taxes on that money, and you have to have another great month. So I rather just build on my recurring commissions than having to keep starting over. You can add those things, but I wouldn't want to make it my main, because it's already anxiety enough trying to get customers, now let alone not having something that's paying you every single month. So this is just one of our products right here, and it comes with other already loaded step-by-step stuff as well, for free traffic, for paid traffic. So if you're someone in a physical product business already and you just want to learn something else, that's this is what you can use that for as well, guys. So I'm going to end this video here. Everything will be in the description.